Hi guys, this is Antonio from Ausgeknipst, and today we have a battery compartment replacement for the Yashica T3, in this case the T3 Super. And as you see, the compartment breaks many times over here over the time. And yeah, so it just so happened that a customer of us asked for a replacement, so we made one. And we did it with this little leather texture, so it looks nicer. And today I'll show you how to replace the broken battery door. So what you need is actually just a screwdriver, just normal flat screwdriver. This is a 3mm wide one. I would recommend something like this or even smaller. And for the rest you need a pair of scissors or a little clamping tool like this one or this one. This is just needed for taking out the rod. I'll show you right away. So we don't have to dismount anything. The only thing is this plastic part here. It looks like it's welded or something, but you can actually just detach it. If you put a little force, you go with the screwdriver in and you can detach it and it just falls out. And then you can access this rod. And then you can use the scissors or these pliers. I'm gonna use the pliers because it's more convenient. And then you can fiddle out the rod like this. Sometimes it goes out very easily, sometimes not. You just need a little bit of patience. So then you take out the rod, you place it apart with the little plastic thingy, don't lose it, and then you can take out the door. And then take the new door, you insert it. Oh, sorry, with gloss it's a little bit fiddly. Okay, so you just insert it, then you insert the rod back in. Okay, so once it's in, you can reuse the pliers to just push it gently in. Then you can close the door, push it in, and then you reattach the cover here, like this, and done. This is the new door. It snaps in very easily, and you need a little bit of force to open it, which is a good sign because then you know that you can insert a battery and it doesn't go out again.
Which battery is it?
This one is a 2CR5. It's a lithium battery. We don't sell those because it's difficult with shipping, but you can get it in every store basically. Then you just insert it, and yeah, then thanks for watching.